Once you've purchased Launcher, you have the application installer, which we'll run through now. We'll go ahead and we'll start that. It prompts you for a password, which I'll go ahead and enter here. This password is your Windows 10 administrator password. Now we're into the application installer itself. So from the application installer, if you've previously exported a settings file, you may choose to add it at this point. There is a separate video describing this process. So from here, I can also choose to launch the application when I'm finished. I'm okay with that, so I'll continue. The application will install, run some scripts. It will prompt you at this stage to confirm that your file system access has been enabled. So we'll go ahead and check that. I can confirm that it's enabled, and the application will complete its installation and launch automatically.